Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting software platform, which is Xero and Hubdoc. So to get started with quick analysis to help you decide which of these platform will be the best accounting software for you to use in 2025. So to get started, in 2025 Xero stand out as a full-featured accounting platform offering invoicing, bank reconciliation, payroll, and your real-time financial reporting. It's great for small to medium-sized business that need a complete cloud-based accounting solution. Xero also supports a range of integration, including with Hubdoc, making it ideal for managing all aspects of your finances in one place. And talking about Hubdoc, on the other hand, is more of a document management tool that works best when paired with software like Xero. It automates the collection and organization of receipts, bills, and payment or statement, turning paperwork into a usable data. On its own, it doesn't offer a full accounting features, but it's excellent at reducing manual data entry. And here's a very conclusion about these two platforms. So Xero is the best choice for full accounting need, while Hubdoc is helpful add-on to stream document headlines. So if you need a full control over your finances, go with Xero. So if you're already using Xero, Hubdoc can also boost your workflow efficiency. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.